Hello and welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbeloso. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, share it with your friends. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. Please go ahead and like, share, and all those wonderful things as well. Today's video is a follow-up for my last video, step 3 of investing for beginners in 2020. In that video, I talked about what investments to put in the accounts that you open. If you haven't watched that video yet, go ahead and click the link that I'm attaching so that you can watch that video. Now, before I get into today's information, I just want to ask you to stay until the end of this video where I will share some information on how you can possibly get 75% off my financial coaching services. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you can find out how to sign up for that. Okay, let's get into today's video. Today's video is step 4 of investing for beginners in 2020. And it's also the last step that I'll give you. So the last step is to monitor your accounts. Now, if you've watched my investing in stocks for beginners, you may have heard me say, set it and forget it. Now, you definitely want to set it and forget it, but not infinitum. So in other words, not forever. You definitely want to go back in and check on your accounts because you want to be responsible. You don't want to be neglectful with your accounts. You will hear or read several different point of views when it comes to this, but my point of view is that you may want to check it once a quarter. As a beginner, I don't recommend you checking your account every week or every day. The reason being is because the market is so volatile, meaning it goes up and down, and within one day you can see such a difference that it may make your head spin. Honestly, I really believe that it's not a good idea to check it too often. And coming from a mental health background, I can tell you that checking it consistently may probably lead you to become obsessive with checking, and that may lead to a mental breakdown because honestly, it can be depressing if you're watching it on a regular basis and you're just seeing it go up and down, or you may see it go way down and you're thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, I have lost all my money. Why did I do this? And then it may lead to panic. So, like I said, if you are new and you're in this for the long haul, do not check your account on a regular basis. I suggest once a quarter. Others may suggest once a month, but I definitely don't encourage you to check your accounts on a daily or even a weekly basis. The benefit of checking it once a quarter is that you can see, of course, how your accounts are doing and whether you need to make some tweaks based on your goals. And as you learn more about investing, chances are you'll want to change things up a little bit. But if you're in it for the long haul, you're definitely going to want to leave some things where they are and let them ride the waves of the stock market. That is what I recommend. So hopefully you've gotten some value out of this. And if you haven't watched my previous videos about investing for beginners, please go ahead and take a look at those. And let me know what you think. Like, comment, and all of those things. Now, we have come to the end of this video, and I will share with you how you can get 75% off my coaching services. This is a limited time offer. What I'm offering is my complete coaching package for a 75% discount. Yes, you heard that right, 75%. But this offer is only available from now, October 13th, to October 30th. So you definitely want to sign up as soon as possible, actually right away, if you want a chance to win. There's limited availability, so I will only be able to work with 12 more people. And within that 12, I will only be able to work with 2 couples. So here are the requirements if you'd like to have a shot to sign up. You have to be a female between ages 18 to 65. You can be married or single, but you have to be able to make financial decisions on your own. And that's if you're going to get the coaching for yourself. Now, if you're a couple, you can, if you're a couple, you can be a married couple or just any couple in a partnership where you make financial decisions together. And that would include an engaged couple, as long as you're within the ages of 18 to 65, then you can possibly qualify. What you get is 6 months of financial coaching. That's right, 6 months of financial coaching. This is definitely a great value. You'll want to act on this right away. In addition to paying for your package at that discounted rate, I'm also requesting that you will leave a review so that I can share it on my new website. So that is the information. Now, the next step that you'll want to do is you'll click on the link that is in the description of this video, and I'll also link it in the comments. You click on that link and it will take you to a page that looks like this. Once you get to this page, you'll scroll down to where it says apply for your discount. This page has all the information that you need. You're going to click on apply for your discount. After you click on that link to apply for your discount, you're going to get to this page, which is my webpage, and you're going to click on these lines at the side, and you'll scroll down to schedule a session, and that's where you'll enter your information and put in what time you are available to meet with me. You will be notified by November 1st of whether or not your application was accepted for this discount program. So definitely want to check your email and get in contact with me as soon as you get the email that says that you were accepted. Now, if you weren't accepted for the discount program, that doesn't mean you can't receive financial coaching from me. It just means that you'll have to go with another package or receive the same package at the original price. So that is all the information you need for now. Go ahead and click on that link to sign up. And I wish you all the best. I can only take a limited amount of people right now, but hopefully I'll be able to get the people that really need to get in here urgently. It's close to the end of the year and everybody's trying to get their ducks in a row and everything like that, so that they're prepared for the following year. And what better way to go into the new year having a plan and and start working on it instead of waiting until January 1st to start working on a plan. That is all for this video. Remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.